Are you looking for a party wear saree? Something with sizzles, with shimmers, with some stonework perhaps, some nice printing, lovely tissue feel, something which will make you stand out in a party and maybe make people think, hey, who's this? What kind of saree is this? Hello, Avishya fans and saree lovers. Today we have a very special collection for you. This collection is very special because it's a collection of Banarasi crushed tissue silk sarees, but just not a crushed tissue. We have something special. Some of these sarees have kalamkari prints, some of them have floral prints, and all of them have very shimmering stonework. So these are sarees will be perfect for party wear, and I'm sure you'll love them. Let's start off with this beautiful olive green crushed tissue Banarasi silk saree. I'll just open it out for you. Wow, the feel of the fabric is so nice. The crushed tissue really gives the rich look. It shimmers and it really has a very textured, very rich feel to it. I'll open it out little by little. This is the body of the saree. Fabulous. The body itself, the way the printing has been done, it's very layered. You can see the print here is almost like marble. The feel of lovely light olive green marble. On that you have this beautiful floral print which is going all the way up. So this goes up throughout the body. The saree, this keeps happening, and then on top you see similar small floral print which is coming down from top. Of course, the border has got lovely Banarasi motifs. Saree, beautiful shimmering saree, and throughout the body, of course, because it's a tissue silk saree, you can see the tissue coming through the weave, the silk and the tissue together, and you can see the shimmer throughout the saree. And of course, the bottom border has got beautiful kalamkari style prints, beautiful swans swimming on the lake, and these beautiful plants also are there. So it feels as though the entire border is the bottom of a lake and the look of a lake, and the swans are swimming and the beautiful plants are just floating in the lake. Of course, the right at the very edge, the same border on top, the Banarasi style border. Let's see what the pallu looks like. Gorgeous pallu, fabulous pallu, and you just see it's really, really nice. Right at the very edge, the same birds which are there in the bottom are there throughout this, right, vertically stacked, and in the end, of course, you have lovely 3 columns of saree, a nice olive green background, beautiful stones, and some little bit of edging as well. Beautiful beads, lovely silver beads edging, very shimmery silver beads, and stonework. Beautiful stonework. It almost looks like pearls with a little bit of stones surrounding them. So it's fabulous. You can imagine how these will look. Great, fantastic look. Of course, the blouse should be very nicely matched. Let's take a look at the blouse. Yes, fabulous, lovely. Almost the feel of tissue and brocade in the blouse with lovely, beautiful combination of floral and shell motifs, and on this lovely olive green color. It's really fantastic. Let's move on to the next saree. Nice, very nice, beautiful beige background and beautiful floral prints. Let's see. Let's open out the saree for you. Yes, beautiful, lovely prints. It's really pretty. The prints are very contemporary. Though it's floral, they're not really the way the leaves are done, the flowers are done. It's very stylized, and the combination of colors here, you see, it's almost like a mosaic. The tone finish. There's a lovely light blue, there's a pink, and then you have these leaves and flowers going all over. Then you have these lovely stonework here. There's pearls and there's stonework all around the pearls. It's so beautiful. Of course, the border, the top border has got this lovely Banarasi motif, beautiful Banarasi motif. The same thing is there in the bottom. Of course, just above the Banarasi motif, you see there's a bunch of flowers all along. Combination of pink, olive green, deep indigo. Flowers are in beautiful color combinations. In the background has got lovely pastel tones of pink, blue, and of course stonework all over and beads all over, so it looks really shimmery. And of course pallu, again, the way it's been done is the border flowers are coming right up vertically, and it ends with a beautiful deep indigo blue finish here with zari, beautiful tissue zari all over, and beads, beautifully beadwork done vertically with pearls also here and there, very beautifully placed. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Lovely blouse here, beautiful blouse, fabulous. This color is what I think it's something like a very deep olive green combined with indigo blue. Olive green and indigo blue is a short color with beautiful floral motifs, floral prints all over, and of course the tissue really shimmers. So it's a fabulous saree with a combination of the blouse, pallu, and the body of the saree. It's a fabulous combination. We'll next move on to this beautiful mustard yellow or golden yellow, whatever you may call it. It's very nice. It's a very bright yellow. I'll just open out the saree for you. Beautiful, fabulous saree. Fantastic mustard yellow. Beautiful, and the fabric is so soft, so shimmery, and the crushed finish gives another level of class. Absolutely the X factor. Beautiful. Of course, the entire body has these beautiful floral prints. The bottom you can see, and the floral prints also have lovely beadwork and stonework to embellish them. And this, of course, continues throughout the body of the saree. These motifs continue, and coming to the pallu, the same bottom motifs then continue vertically stacked here. Same motifs continue, but of course here it's very thickly stacked together. Plus you have lovely cranes and herons standing here. Beautiful, lovely, tall herons standing here, and ending with a dark mustard vertical, beautiful stripes. Lovely vertical stripes with zari work, with lovely red edging along the beads, and beautiful pearls as well. And the flourish is given by the beautiful tassels. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Wow, beauty. What a beauty the blouse is. So you can see how they combine the blouse. Fabulous. The lovely, I would call it a honey gold color with beautiful floral motifs with red and deep pink or red floral motifs with lovely golden tassels, and of course along with the blouse and the saree look fabulous. What do we have next? We have a lovely light indigo color. I think it is a light indigo. I'll just open it out for you. Yes. Fabulous saree. Fantastic work. Beautiful, lovely motifs, floral motifs, bunches of flowers all over, especially in the border. The bottom border has got lovely bunches of flowers throughout. It's fabulously throughout, running through the border. And of course, the edge border is nice Banarasi work, and the colors are all beautiful. There's a lovely pink, dusky pink, there's a light indigo, there is a beige, and with patterns and motifs are very, very stylishly done. Not a traditional pattern. It's a little bit, I would say, a little edgy, little bit stylish, very contemporary interpretation of floral motifs and leaf motifs. It's probably a little Western, but it blends very nicely as a fusion with Banarasi style borders. It's fabulous. And end, of course, the same border continues and then moves up vertically to create the pallu. And the end, of course, the deep indigo vertical stripes, 3 bands of vertical stripes with lovely zari and interspersed with here and there lovely pearl and stonework as well. Of course, nice indigo tassels. In the end, it's really very stylishly done. It's amazing amount of work. All over the body, you have the stonework, these leaves with stonework. It's really stunning. Let's see what the blouse is. Very beautiful as well. So it's a fabulous combination. The saree, the blouse, and the pallu. It's a fantastic combination. Next, we'll have a look at this beautiful, lovely shell pink crushed tissue Banarasi silk saree. Let me open this out for you. Fabulous saree. Lovely saree with beautiful floral prints all along the border, and towards the end in the pallu, the same beautiful floral motifs, floral prints, some in a vertical stack, and of course ends with the lovely beautiful zari with very, I would say this is a light purple. I would say light purple with beautiful stonework and zari stripes from top to bottom, makes it look very exclusive. And of course the body, if you come closer, you'll notice that it seems that from a distance there is nothing on the body, but it's got self motifs. Beautiful self motifs. If you come closer, I'll just run my finger under this so that you'll be able to understand. It's really beautifully woven. Lovely saree with complete all over the body. There are self motifs. Very sophisticated, very subtle, very stylishly done self motifs. And of course, these stripes are running throughout the body. Very marbled finish, and the tissue zari gives it a lift. So this is how the saree looks, and let's see what the blouse for the saree looks like. Yes, this is the blouse. So you can see how the blouse looks like along with the saree. So you can see how the blouse, the saree, and the pallu, they make a very lovely combination. Now we come to the grand finale. Let's open out the saree. It's a beautiful, lovely blue. It's a very, very beautiful blue. Let's open it out for you. Wow, beautiful, fabulous pallu, fantastic pallu. Let's see, take a look at the rest of the saree. Wow, this is sensational. Body of the saree has got more sensational designs than the pallu itself. It's fabulous, very bold floral motifs in different colors, in red, in pink, in indigo blue, in light blues. There's a lovely mustard gold color and lovely motifs all over, very nicely done. And if you look at the printing, the way the printing has been done, it's in layers. Again, this collection has very specialized in this marbled finish, very, very marbled finish. You see the way the pattern comes here, it's almost like natural marble finish, and on the marbled finish you have these beautiful, lovely motifs and stonework done all over. Of course, the borders have got a classic Banarasi tissue border finish, beautiful Banarasi tissue silk borders, zari borders, the edge. So the floral prints and the stonework and the Banarasi are combining beautifully together. The pallu has got a very conventional zari stripes, very, very conventional zari stripes from top to bottom with some amount of stonework, very subtly done, not too much, not over the top, but a certain amount of pearls surrounding that, got stonework here. And let's take a look at the blouse. Blouse is also lovely metallic indigo blue with beautiful red floral motifs, and that's the blouse. Of course, this is the pallu. Pallu is also very beautiful, and the body of the saree itself is very, very sensational. It's very different, a very, very different saree. Even in this collection, I would say this saree stands out. So I hope you enjoyed this saree and enjoyed watching this entire collection of wonderful crushed tissue Banarasi silk sarees. But you really must come to the store, because I've been trying my best to explain this to you, but really the beauty of this, you have to come to the store. If you come to the store, you can touch, feel, you can drape the saree, you can enjoy the splendor and grandeur of this saree. It's really amazing collection. Please come over. Our store is located at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet, Chennai. Now, if you're not in Chennai and you really want to take a closer look, please come online to avishya.com. Our online customer service team will be very happy to show these sarees to you and explain whatever queries you have, and help you also select the right one which works for you, and take you right through to the process of placing the order and getting it shipped to your house. We ship, of course, all over India and internationally as well, to over 40 countries. So wherever you are, we'll be happy to help you shop for the saree and ship it right to your home. And if you really like this video, please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button too. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you keep getting notified about every video that we upload. We're very, very happy to bring you these wonderful collections in the Avishya YouTube platform. And if any of you like a saree a lot, you can even take a screenshot and send it over to us by WhatsApp. There's a WhatsApp customer service number which will be displayed on the screen here. Please take a screenshot and send it over to the WhatsApp number, and we'll be very happy to get back to you. Otherwise, also, of course, you can always come to avishya.com and make your selections. Thank you so much for watching. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app, and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.